Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will see US election results between Joe Biden and Donald Trump. So let's see guys. Joe Biden belongs from Democratic Party and Donald Trump from Republican Party. So let us see. I am watching the live update of US election results. So let's see who is winning from which seat. First we will see Joe Biden. Joe Biden is leading the US election with at present he got 264 votes and Donald Trump got 214 votes. 270 votes is needed to win the US election. So it is clear that Joe Biden is leading the race, and he got 50.5% votes till now at 3:35 PM Indian Standard Time. So let us see from which seat who is leading the race. So first of all we will see Georgia. Here Joe Biden is leading the race with 49.4% votes, and Trump has also got 49.4% votes, but number of vote counts is which Joe Biden has got is 24,49,371, while Donald Trump has got 24,48,454 votes. So it is obvious that Joe Biden is leading the Georgia seat, and in Nevada Joe Biden is leading with almost 6 lakh votes, and in North Carolina with 48.7% votes. It means 26 lakhs votes almost he got Joe Biden, while Donald Trump has you can say he is leading the North Carolina seat with 50% votes, that is 27 lakh votes approximately. In Pennsylvania Donald Trump is leading the race with 49.6% votes. In Arizona, Joe Biden has won the seat with 50.1%, while Donald Trump got 48.5%. In Florida, Donald Trump has won the seat with 51.2% votes. In Iowa, Donald Trump has won. In Michigan, and Joe Biden is leading with 50.6%. In New Hampshire, Joe Biden is leading with 52.8%. In Ohio, Joe Biden is leading with 55.2%. In Texas, Joe Biden is leading with 46.4%. In Wisconsin, Joe Biden is leading with 49.6%. In Ohio, Donald Trump has won the seat with 53.4%, while in Texas, Donald Trump has also won the seat by 52.2% votes. So it is clear that Joe Biden of Democratic Party is leading the race, and he just need 6 more seats to win the US election. So it means Joe Biden is going to become the next president of United States of America. So this is the live status. So let us wait for the final result guys, who will be the next president of United States of America. So thank you guys.